Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study chemistry so fast. First, establish a strong foundation by mastering fundamental principles like atomic structure and chemical bonding. Don't rush through the basics. A solid understanding here makes advanced topics much easier. Break down your study material into smaller, manageable chunks. Dedicate specific 45-minute blocks to each topic, ensuring you stay focused and avoid burnout. This structured approach helps you absorb information more effectively and efficiently. Next, engage in active learning rather than passive reading. Summarize your notes in your own words, explaining concepts as if you were teaching someone else. This process highlights areas where your understanding might be weak. Crucially, solve as many practice problems as possible. Chemistry is a hands-on subject, and consistent practice builds confidence and speed. Also, use flashcards for quick recall of essential formulas, reactions, and definitions, reviewing them daily. Regular review is vital for long-term retention. Don't wait until the last minute. Integrate short review sessions into your weekly schedule to revisit older material. Try to connect new information with what you already know, building a comprehensive mental map of the subject. This helps you see the bigger picture and how different concepts interrelate. Consider forming a study group. Discussing challenging concepts with peers can offer new perspectives and solidify your understanding. Finally, optimize your study time by identifying high-yield topics that are frequently tested. Prioritize these areas to maximize your score. Don't hesitate to use online resources. Video tutorials can provide excellent visual explanations for complex chemical processes. They often break down difficult concepts into easily digestible segments. And speaking of efficiency, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to help streamline your life. Remember, consistent effort and smart strategies are key to mastering chemistry quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.